years of age, single. I'm a Filipina and I am a resident of 137 Milagrosa Street, Villa Sabina, Talipapa, Novaliches, Quezon City. My father is Adolfo Reyes. My mother is Cecilia Reyes. I have 6 brothers and I have 6 sisters. I am the youngest of the family. I am a college graduate of Holy University, Tagbilaran, Bohol. A course of Associate in Computer Secretariat. I have already an experience of taking care of newborn babies because I have already taken care of my niece and nephew since birth until they are 2 years old. If I will be the wife chosen of my employer, I will promise that to be honest and do my responsibilities and duties well. And I assure that they will be motivated thereby. Thank you.
Okay, Miguela, how old are you?
23 years old po.
Are you single or married?
Single.
Single. Okay, and you finished your 2-year course in college? Is it a 2-year course or
Yes,
4 years?
2 years course.
Okay, so why do you want to work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my family.
You want to help your family?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many are you in a family?
15.
15. How many siblings?
13.
13. And you are?
The youngest.
You are the youngest.
Yes.
Okay, so at present, what is your work?
Promo dancer.
Prom dancer.
Yes.
Okay, do you have experience before as a domestic helper?
Not yet.
Okay, so what do you think are the duties of the domestic helper?
I think the duties of the domestic helper, sir, madam, is clean the house, taking care of the babies, washing clothes,
So you can handle the household chores like cleaning the house,
yes, ma'am.
laundry washing.
Yes, ma'am.
What about cooking?
I cook. Like for example, fried chicken, steamed fish, and soup.
In your home, are you doing the cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I'm the one who cook.
By the way, can you follow a recipe book?
Maybe.
Okay.
But I try.
Okay, so what about taking care of children?
I have already an experience of taking care of children because I took care of my niece and nephews.
How old are they?
3 years old now.
3 years old now. For how long did you take care of them?
3 years.
3 years. So what about newborn? Can you handle taking care of newborn?
Yes, I can also handle a newborn because of my niece. I was took care of them before, since birth until they are 2 years old.
Okay, so what do you think makes the baby cries?
If they are hungry and they are irritated or they are sick.
What else? So if the baby is sick, what is the first thing that you are going to do?
Take the temperature and take them the medicines.
Okay, and first of all, are you willing to take care of pets like cats and dogs?
Yes, madam, I will willing to take care of pets and dogs.
Do you have pets at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if ever you will be hired, do you think you will not feel homesick?
No, by making myself busy, concentrating my duties and responsibilities, and also I will treat my employer as my own family.
Okay. So what assurance can you give to your future employer?
Ma'am, I give my assurance to my employer to be honest and do all responsibilities and duties.
Okay, so can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise to finish my 2-year contract.
Okay, so if your employer set your day off not on Sundays or Saturday, is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
So, Miguela, are you ready to work in Hong Kong anytime?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. Anything more you want to say to your employer? Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon.